Hello humans, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showcasing my port of CN Takeover. I'm quite glad that I was able to put the alt animations in it, because I haven't really seen that in a mod before. Like, I swear boyfriend is too confident for his own good. For some reason there's a lot of errors in this chart. But why? For all these charts I had to do somewhat of a recharting to remove all the events and other stuff, so it was actually more playable and not just have ghost notes. Because I would have to make an entire note type entirely to have the alternate event, and those notes with numbers on them do not show up as alternate note types. Because they aren't, you know, they just do events in that engine specifically, and it would just have like a weird corrupted data. Because I've seen this before with a leather engine chart, like it had a bunch of words instead of numbers for the alternate notes, and it didn't register, didn't change the notes at all. I couldn't figure out where to put the stuff in the background in correlation with the characters, so I just didn't. I like in the background that there's Among Us Hangman. Pretty sus, not gonna lie. And I don't know why, but Jake's animations are weirdly delayed. I mean, I know I did like a less complicated version of the script for the animations. It's just aim times 8 minus 7. Because that just makes it have a lot less code. And also the costumes, I just ported all the poses as one picture, so it was just easier to do that. Trying to find the number. You can only do that with animations that have a constant number of frames for each of the animations, or it will turn out super weird looking. It's weird seeing the icons flipped because it just doesn't look right. 3, 2, 1, go. Especially Jake's icon. Maybe it's because you're just not used to seeing it. For some reason I tried to put a lot of care in those spam sections. Like make as much sense as possible, but it's really just more of a pain to hit. I'm kind of surprised I didn't miss more, and I don't have both characters shown at once because for some reason the idols are kind of broken. They don't play when the turn switches. I mean, if somebody tells me how to fix that, I will, but right now it just kind of saves a lot of headache just not doing that. I feel like I've arguably made this harder. But why use spam noises? Unfairness. You're lucky that you didn't have to deal with a spam in this one. Because I was like, ooh cool, no events. And also I was thinking of charting the currently unreleased songs for this mod because they're actually good, which is kind of to be expected. Like, it's the best sounding Pibby mod so far. Like, that massive one was just kind of eh. And also, for some reason on that Funkipedia page, it just is. It just has a bunch of those songs from that mod. Or they're from other mods, but they were ported to it, you know? They're not gonna be in it. That's lazy. Let me show you. I like how Power Devour sounds. Like, I like how the voices sounds more like instruments than anything else. And they're not nearly as overcharted as other Pibby mod songs. I swear Pibby mods are the most oversaturated division of the Friday Night Funkin modding community. There's so many of them, so little effort. I mean, besides Dave and Danny, really. But there's less of those. I bet you've heard something basically like this. It's a bit improved. because it was in one of those low quality Pibby mods. Slightly different. Like, this one can definitely be improved. It's not as good as the others. Like, have it this quality, that sounds good. And also, No More Woe. It's a really stupid name for a song, but there's context for it. This is the old version, and it doesn't sound like it needed to be improved that much. So I will probably be charting this instead of the new version, because the new version is probably not coming out for a while on a file. Well, this should be about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see another video. Bye.